What's up, guys? It's Leon here from Zob's Metal Detecting South Africa, and we're going into our second week of lockdown due to the COVID-19 virus. So we can't go out, we're working from home, like I'm sure a lot of you guys are, and we can't go out metal detecting. So that's very frustrating. But I decided to grab my camera, spend some time outside, and I've made a quick video, to show you guys some tips on coin shooting and what I do, how I approach coin shooting, and specifically how to reduce the amount of bottle caps that I dig. There's nothing more annoying than digging 100 targets, of which 90 of them were bottle caps, especially in the parks and some trashy areas. So in general, we try to avoid the trashy areas by going to Boer War sites. But every now and again, we hit a really old park and we look for those silver coins. Um, so yeah, man, I've taken some bottle caps, I've put them on the ground. I've showed you, or I'm going to show you guys my settings on what I use and how I approach coin shooting specifically. So I've tried to show this or explain this the best I could. This really helps when I go out and coin shoot. So if it works for you, please let me know. If you don't have a Nocto macro machine, but you do have a machine that gives you good tones and discrimination, I'm sure the principle will work all the same. So try it out, let me know, and let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I've set up the four types of bottle caps that I've showed you, or four different scenarios and what you could find. And I'm just going to show you how similar the target IDs will be. So I'm going to go over them and show you what I would normally do when I pick up a signal, and then I'll give you the target ID, and then I'm going to try and demonstrate to you what I do with my coil. And I want you to listen to the tone and how it breaks up, and that will then explain what I'm trying to do. So I obviously go over the target one way, then I turn 90 degrees, and then I go over it the same type of way. If I pick up the same signal, that's a good indicator that that is possibly a coin or a target that I would like to dig. So again, specifically, we're trying to coin shoot and avoid bottle caps without using a concentric coil. So let me show you, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so just to show you my settings and what I'm running. So let me get into a bit of a shadow. So I'm in 3-tone. My gain is at 89, discrimination at 14, notch 15, notch volume 0. The tone, yeah, you can see 15, 40, and then 70. Tone volume, they're all at max. Tone break is 25 and then 60. And then ISAT is at 1. Options, frequency, I'm at 14 kilohertz. Volume at 8. Vibrate. Tracking is on 0. Frequency shift 03. And that's pretty much it. So let me show you how I approach these targets when I coin shoot. So I'm lifting my coil a little bit up, just because the targets are shallow, so you can hear the tone a bit better. So this folded cap is coming in at 68, 65, low 70. This one much better, very good target signal, 78, 79. This bottle cap with the one edge folded, 81, 82, 83. And then this one, 75, 76, 77. Okay, so what I want to show you now is, as I move the coil over a target, what I would do is generally I would go over the target in the middle, pick up the signal, and then slowly move the coil back. As the target reaches the tip of the front edge of that coil, if it breaks up and then goes into a low 20s, 30s, even 40s tone, that indicates to me that it is a bottle cap. So let me just try and demonstrate this to you now. Move back. There we are. 20s, 17, 30. Move to the center again. High tone 79, 80. So right there, when I pick that up, that tells me that's a bottle cap. So I'll obviously demonstrate with some coins as well, just to show you the difference. So I'm going to do that on all 4 of these targets, and I just want you to see and understand what I'm talking about. So there, it just breaks it completely. Slowly back. There we are. 34, 29. $26, $25, $36, high 70s. Alright, so now I'm going to demonstrate with some coins, and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, so I've set up the coins. I've got 5 coins. I've got a halfpenny over there. I've got a modern 2-cent piece, South African 2 cents piece. I've got that is a silver 6-pence over there. And I've got a, what is that? That's a silver shilling. I've got a silver florin over there. And then right in the middle over here somewhere, I think it's over there. You can't see it, but I've got a 3-pence, or what we call a South African silver tikkie. Okay, so I've just taken away the florin and the tikkie that was on its edge. It was a bit too close and interfering. So I'll put them down now. Let me start with these 4 coins over here, and then show the difference. So hopefully you can see my screen, but I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go over the target, and then I'm going to move the coil to the back and show you what happens. All right, so we're going to start off with the halfpenny. So there you can see it's coming in at 70. Going to move the coil back, and it dies at 67. 70, move it back, 69, 68. Does not go below 67, 68. Do the modern 2-cent piece. It's coming in at 76, 75. Move back slowly. Does not break up. The lowest it goes, 74, 75. Let's do the 6-pence silver. Coming in at 80. Move back, 79. Does not drop below 60 or 70. That's the shilling. 87, 88, 86. Move back slowly. Breaks up slightly. Does not go below 80. So again, if you turn 90 degrees, do exactly the same thing. If it does, like I did now, where it doesn't go below, let's say 10 digits below what it was originally, guaranteed it's going to be a good target, or solid target at least. 80%, 70%, maybe even more. I'm confident in saying that it will be a coin. So that's how I do coin shooting. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, try it out. There's a few other tricks as well that I do when I go and target coins. I'll make a separate video on that as well, like a part 2. That's really interesting. It's a bit more hardcore. Yes, I was doing this on the Anfibio Multi, which is a great machine. I kill when I go coin shooting, especially in trashy areas. But try it out if you have a different machine that gives you different types of tones and different types of discrimination. Try it out. I'm sure that it will work on those machines as well. So yeah, I hope this was useful. And yeah, while in lockdown, guys, I hope you guys are safe. Um, and yeah, thanks for watching. Keep busy, and once we're out again, we'll bring you a video on a really good hunt. All right, take it easy.